Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. It's a little bit later in the afternoon now. It is like 2:30. I've already been out running around, making money, delivering on the skateboard. That's been pretty good. The weather today is freaking amazing. It's just amazing. Like it's amazing. Like I was out skating at 8:30 this morning with just a t-shirt on and some shorts and some mismatched socks. Like straight up, when you can do that at 8:30 in the morning in San Francisco, it's a really good day. It's a really good day. So now it's a little bit later in the afternoon, and normally the wind starts to pick up around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it gets pretty dang chilly because it's super windy. You know, the wind shifts and then the fog rolls in. But I'm just peeping outside right now and I don't see the fog getting ready to roll over Twin Peaks here. So maybe the fog will come a little bit later. Maybe it'll come at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, or maybe even better, maybe it won't be any fog today. I'm just having an amazing day. Guys, you know what I did this morning that's just super random, but it just made my life so much better. It made my day so much better. This morning I woke up at like 1 a.m. and I was wide awake from like 1 a.m. to like maybe 4 a.m. And when I was awake, I was going through my phone and I'm like, crap, I'm gonna get a new iPhone in a couple days, but I'm out of space. Like, this just sucks. Like, I have apps that are on my phone that I run around every day, and I'm using those apps, but then randomly the app will like disappear off my phone because it needs space. And I'm like, okay, I cannot live like this. So like in the middle of the night, I went and downloaded Google Photos. And there was this option where you can download you can like take your entire album from your phone and upload it to Google Photos. And from that way, you could just access Google Photos from your computer and you have access to the same photos, or you can access it from my iPad. And I'm thinking, I need this, like I need this. So I did that and it took like forever. It took like 4 hours or something to upload. So I woke up like later, like I wanna say like right before 8 a.m. And when I woke up, almost all of the photos, like over 5,000 photos and videos from my phone just got uploaded to Google Photos. And like picking up my phone and holding my phone, it feels different. It feels like it's lighter. Like obviously it's not lighter because it still weighs the same weight it did like yesterday or before I uploaded all those videos to Google Photos. But for some reason it feels just lighter. It feels like I can do things like take photos. I can do things like take a 4K video and I won't run out of space. Well, I'm not telling you guys my horrible life, the horrible things that go on, how I don't have enough space on my phone. How I have two phones and they're both maxed out on space. But check this out, right now this phone right here got 13 gigs. So that's almost like unlimited space if you ask me. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Right now I'm going through that feeling when you get off of the train and you just cross your fingers that there's an escalator. It's just right on the other side so you don't have to walk. But there's no escalator and you have to walk. Almost at the top. What a beautiful day today. Cool Beans just picked up my Amazon package for a video coming up soon. I think you guys will like this video or not. We'll see. Ooh, that's a real skateboard there. Today is such a nice day. Oh my gosh, I wish every day was like this. For the most part, today has been a rockin' day. The weather has been amazing. The orders have been popping up really good. I just came back out for the afternoon dinner rush, and The first order I accepted was like a $16 order, but it was along the route of the water, and it was really windy, and I used a ton of battery, and I'm just sitting down charging at the Embarcadero Center really fast because I'm just waiting on some more orders. Now these orders are kind of slowing down, but earlier today, man, it was popping. Like, it was really good. Oh, no, I think I'm not gonna accept this one. I think I'm gonna hold off on this one too. This is not that bad, but yeah, I think I'm gonna hold off on this one. Wow, I wonder what new building's going up over here. So this is pretty much what I got going on. I just dropped off an order, but when I was at the drop-off location, I did not hit, you know, complete delivery, because when I came downstairs, I didn't have service, so I just stuck my phone in my pocket and just jumped on the board and like went down this hill, and then remembered, oh crap, I didn't complete the order. So now I'm texting customer support, and it's taken a little bit longer than usual, and it looks like, oh yeah, it looks like they're really busy, so it's gonna take a lot longer than usual. Really hope they can hurry this up. Okay, still waiting on caviar. Meanwhile, I'm just having a little bit of this unreal chocolate, dark chocolate, peanut butter. Yeah, these things are amazing. They're all really good. They have crazy good taste.
City was fucking 93 or 98, 2011, you know what I mean?
You tired of the city? You going to the East Bay, huh?
No, I'm never tired of nothing. If you got enough money,
there you go. You gotta get on in there, man.
God damn it.
You gotta go that way. The first one, emergency exit.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Handicap, my mental handicap.
Yeah, handicap. There you go. You got it. No pay, no pay.
That'd be cool as fuck. Nobody can.
Yeah, this ain't Bart. This ain't gonna take you to the East Bay. It's Muni. You gotta take this one down to Civic Center, and then you get on Bart at Civic Center.
Yes. Jermaine is back. What a long day, what an awesome day, what a day full of adventures and a little bit of elevator action in this vlog.